Hey everyone, back. Today I'm gonna debadge my truck. I want to get a decal made, so this is the first step on getting the decal made for the back of my truck. So I'm gonna take all the badges off. Got a little wheel that takes off the glue, and I'm not too sure what this is called. It's like it's for taking decals off so you don't scratch the paint and shit. So I don't exactly know what this called. If anyone knows, let me know. First things first, I have to get this thing prepped and then we're good to go. That was mildly a pain in the butt. So okay, I'm good to go. Hopefully this is gonna do what I want it to do. If not, then plan B. All right, bye. All right, here we go. Got a kind of heat gun. If this doesn't work, I'll have to try something different. So here we go. Holy shit, that came off. That came off way easier than I thought it would. Are you fucking kidding? Well, that was awesome. My string broke, so I mean, well, that went a little smoother that time around, so. Well everyone, I got one side done, but that wheel is kind of working, so I think I'm gonna pick this stuff up. It's called glue gun, or whatever it's called. Apparently it's supposed to work really good. I don't think my wire wheel is gonna last long enough for me to do the rest of it, so yeah, I'm gonna pick up some of that tomorrow and hopefully finish what I'm doing. It's just getting really hot right now. I think I might go to the shop. All right, I'll see you later. Bye. Hey everyone, back at the shop. I've already been here for multiple hours. Someone almost ripped my bumper off when I was parked yesterday. So I've been here kind of straightening my bumper so I can open my tailgate. Not perfect. I'm not no body man by any means, but at least I can open my tailgate. It looks a little bit better now. So I'm gonna continue with debadging my truck. I went and got some Goo Gone, and it works pretty good. I wiped down the other side to try it out. It works pretty good. So I'm gonna do the other side and we're gonna finish her up. All right, well, here we go. Got a better heat gun. Oh. Two. Four. thing's annoying. Way faster. Right, I think I'm done for the day. I'll probably finish up this video next week. I really wasn't expecting to repair my bumper, so I'm gonna finish up the rear tailgate next week. I'm going to Edmonton this weekend, so probably when I get back, I'll finish off the back tailgate. So I'll see you then. Good morning. Well, we're back at her. I'm going to finish up my tailgate, debadging it, and then we're going to be all done. I had a feeling. Well, I'm gonna put that back on because I might have to buy myself a new decal. Shit. Damn it. Oh well. That's gonna have to be, you know, figure out what I'm gonna do with that. Have to buy a new one of those. Son of a bitch. I got this stuff called Goof Off. It works really good for getting this residue off. And if you use it, well ventilated area, because this stuff will knock you on your butt. It's pretty powerful stuff. Okay. Alright everyone, I'm done for now. I have to figure out what I'm going to do with that center badge. It's not exactly what I wanted. It gets held in by clips and glue. So I think what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to buy a new one. Probably see if I can find a black one. That'll fit in there, no problem. And yeah, go from there. I was hoping to have this whole thing done because I'm going to get a decal done up for the back of my truck. But yeah, I'll have to figure out what I'm going to do. Maybe what I'll do is I'll buy a new one, and then when I get my decal done, I will I'll pull the old one off, clean it up, put the decal down, and then I'll put the new one in place so it looks a little bit nicer. But yeah, all right, I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one. Can you do me a favor? Like, subscribe, comment. I like hearing from you guys. It'd be awesome. Thanks. Bye.